Here we have the Ford Fiesta Z-Tech on a 15 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and a really decent amount of boot space as well. So I'm just going to work my way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in great condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we've got the fuel gauge, and then above that, you'll see the trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car, which are 38,072. Pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk will give you other fuel economy information, so you get back round to the beginning again. Out on the steering wheel, we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So once you pair a phone, hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you. The phone itself is paired using the stereo system here and the screen in front of it. But before we come back to the phone, you can see that this car's got DAB digital radio. It also, as with a push of the radio button on the stereo unit, has FM and AM radio as well. On top of that, the car has a CD player. You can listen to music via the USB connection, the auxiliary connection, and it has Bluetooth audio as well, which you can see on the screen just there. So that's the main stereo unit with the CD at the top of it. And then beneath that, we've got the air conditioning. So fan speed is adjustable over here, temperature on the right hand side, then the direction of the air, and then the air conditioning is on when you push that button. This car also has a heated front screen as well. We then have the 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt charging socket, and the auxiliary and USB input that I mentioned a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.